You're so handsome. For best results, we recommend watching this video in a quiet environment with the volume turned up to max. Let's begin.
You're so charismatic.
You're so charismatic.
You're so charismatic.
You're so charismatic.
You're so good-looking.
You're so good-looking.
You're so good-looking.
You're so good-looking.
You're simply gorgeous.
You're simply gorgeous.
You're simply gorgeous.
You're simply gorgeous.
I love spending time with you.
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 I think you're cute.
I think you're cute.
I think you're cute. I think you're cute.
You're so charming. You're so charming.
You're so charming.
You're so charming.
You're so strong.
You're so strong.
You're so strong.
You're so strong.
You're fierce.
You're fierce.
You're fierce.
You're fierce.
You're young and fearless.
You're young and fearless. You're young and fearless.
You're young and fearless.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You're the man.
You're the man.
You're the man.
You're the man.
You're so handsome.
You're so handsome.
You're so handsome.
You're so handsome.
We all love you.
We all love you.
We all love you.
We all love you.
You're so humorous.
You're so humorous.
You're so humorous.
You're so humorous.
It's great having you here.
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 I like you.
I like you.
I like you. I like you.
You're so attractive.
You're so attractive.
You're so attractive.
You're so attractive.
You're a great leader.
You're a great leader.
You're a great leader.
You're a great leader.
You're my hero. You're my hero.
You're my hero.
You're my hero.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
You look like a supermodel.
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 You're so magnificent.
You're so magnificent.
You're so magnificent. You're so magnificent.
You, my man, is the definition of awesome.
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 Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.